Oh my gosh, he left you a note?
You got a note from Santa?
See, look.
Oh my
Look what he did. Look what he did.
What did he do? Oh my gosh.
He shared it with Rudolph.
He shared some of his cookies with Rudolph?
Oh my gosh.
Y'all gonna open your stockings?
Yes.
What did he leave you?
Oh. What is it? Glow stick?
Merry Christmas, Mimi.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, Mama.
A Christmas one?
Oh my gosh, Christmas candy?
Use your words, Eli.
What is it?
A biscuit.
No, it's not a biscuit.
I got a candy cane.
Whoa! Oh, you could put that on your backpack, maybe.
Yeah, I can. A candy cane.
Wonderful. Okay.
Oh my gosh. What is that, Jackson?
What is that?
You wanna keep opening
Look
your
at this. And this has this. You can color. You don't need other colors. It just colors. Not. Yeah. It's a magic color.
Magic.
What's in here?
Eli, look in your stocking. Oh my goodness, I see a glow something.
Look.
What is that, Eli?
Mama, look what I got. Like at Mimi and Bubba. Yeah. Turn it.
Oh, cool. That's really cool.
Nice glow stick.
What's in my stocking? These are open. Nothing else in my stocking. Stop! Okay.
He just wants his candy cane.
Look at this.
A coloring book.
A superhero one.
Awesome. Still waking up.
Can't believe it.
Eli, can I have the rest of the stuff in your stocking?
Me?
I can.
You just wanted the candy.
You gave me before.
Who did?
You.
Oh, I gave it to you before, and now Santa gave it to you.
What is that, Eli?
Look, Eli, what we got in our Power Rangers.
Did you get Power Rangers? Oh my gosh.
Oh, burger. What is this?
What is it? Oh my goodness.
What is this?
It's a foam ball shoot. It looks like a bow.
Slingshot.
Oh, can you open it? I can't wait to show that together. I wonder if Santa put presents on there.
What's that last thing Jackson leaned up against there with the letters on it? What is that?
What?
What's that big thing with the letters leaned up on it? What is that?
Oh, I've seen that practice your letters.
Oh,
I
cool.
don't need to practice my letters.
You don't?
I can.
I bet you can draw.
Can you draw a picture on them?
Yeah, I can. Two. Hey. Put on this.
Hey, Eli. Eli. Merry Christmas. Thank you, Eli.
No. How do you stick it in here?
Merry Christmas to you, Poppy.
Merry Christmas.